Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Mentorship Corner. My name is Sibiano Mtandazo. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and to share, and most importantly, do not forget to click the red subscription button down below. To my subscribers and my notification gang, thank you guys for your love and your support. We are on 160 subscribers, guys, which is really good milestone. We actually escalated quite a lot in the past month, and I'm so grateful for that. Keep supporting, keep getting more people to subscribe, and yes, if you're watching and you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, before this video becomes too long, let me actually get right straight to the point. On today's video, we are going to be discussing the 5 disadvantages of online learning. Remember last week we did the 5 advantages of online learning. So today I'm going to be doing the 5 disadvantages of online learning. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first one is cost. So online learning, as I said, it can be beneficial in the sense that obviously you don't have to pay for community fees and all those like fees that you wouldn't have to pay for, but it can be expensive, mainly because internet packages are more expensive today in this day and age. And obviously you don't want to get just a basic internet package. You want to get a proper one because you need to have really good and fast internet connection. So that can be a bit costly. So that's the main reason why I'm saying internet online learning can be a little bit costly and expensive compared to your everyday normal university or local college that you would then have to attend if you were not doing online learning. The second one is basically technology. So obviously you would need a smartphone and you would need a laptop. So a smartphone, I'm sure they're not that picky, mainly because it's mainly used for interaction, also like checking your emails and checking your WhatsApps, just to stay in touch with the students that you're studying with and with your lecturer. But a laptop can be expensive because, for example, if you are doing an online course in coding, you can't just use any random computer because there's certain systems and certain softwares that the computer won't be able to download and the computer won't be able to run, which are actually softwares that you will be needing for that specific course. So make sure, not even make sure, so that's why it's going to be a little bit more expensive as well, because you have to get a proper smartphone and you have to get a proper laptop. So yeah, that's another disadvantage. The third one is basically interaction. So interaction and building relationships. So as much as you get to network with people from different countries, different cities and different nations, if you are a person who prefers one-on-one personal face-to-face interactions, that aspect is lost with online learning because you don't have that luxury. You can't be building friends with someone you know and someone you have seen. You're just building relationships with someone you know on FaceTime, Skype, or any form of video calling. Same thing goes with your lecturers. You can't really build very personal relationships because you don't really get to see that person. You're only seeing them online. So it takes away that personal face-to-face interaction that on campus and obviously in the college that you're attending you would then have. The fourth one is basically planning and time management. So this can be a disadvantage if you're someone who doesn't like planning and organizing things, because that means everything is going to kind of be all over the place. So you'll find that you will set your timetable, but you won't be able to comply in terms of time. You have work, you have this and this. So if you are not a person who likes planning and who prefers doing their own time management and doing their own planning, then online learning just may not work for you, mainly because you need to be the one who's going to set your timetable. You need to be the one who manages their time properly. You need to be the one who plans around the exams and obviously when you've planned it a certain time for an exam, a test, or like a lecture that you guys are going to be attending live, you have to be there on time. And obviously, if you're not good at planning, that will be a bit of a problem, and uzoleka some way somehow, you know. And then the last one, which is very close to my heart and very personal, is the fact that people in rural areas cannot easily access online learning. As much as obviously online learning has all its perks and all its benefits, but it is still biased to mainly people in the urban areas. Because if you think about it, if I'm coming from a rural area, the signal is terrible for phone calls as it is. Where am I going to get proper internet access? I don't have a smartphone. How am I going to afford getting a smartphone now? And how am I going to afford getting a computer just because now I have to attend a class online? So it's practical, but it's also not practical for certain regions, and it's also not practical for certain people basically in certain areas. So those are the 5 disadvantages of online learning. The first one is cost. Can be expensive. You will need a good smartphone and obviously a good laptop depending on the course that you're doing. You are going to be lacking that face-to-face personal interaction and building of relationships. You will need to do proper planning and time management, or else everything else will just kind of fail. And then most importantly, it is not available for everyone, because people in rural areas do not really have easy access to the internet and computers. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more of this type of content, drop it on the comment section down below. If you found that the video was a bit informative, let me know and let's engage and interact. I'll see you guys on Thursday for our next video. I love you guys a lot, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And we are on level 1 lockdown now, but stay safe, and yeah guys, take all the safety precautions. Bye.